Welcome to Drumfill Black Belt, where serious intermediate drummers turn what they already know into fresh musical fills they can use live. Today's concept is right left left kick displaced in 16th notes. I'll play it first, break it down, and give you the tools to take it and turn it into something of your own. So we can start the pattern on the one, which you probably already know. That's pretty simple, but what if we actually started on the second 16th note, so on the E of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or what if we started on the A of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or what if we started in the end of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's actually use this as one bar fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the simple thing that I do is just move my right hand to the accents around the toms. That already creates a pretty cool melody. The trick and the hardest part is to get super comfortable hearing this same pattern in all these different positions. The displacement of anything, any pattern that you already know is the best practice that you can ever do to build more confidence and freedom in your fills and vocabulary around the kit. So stop copying random licks and start using the things that you already know in all these different ways. Last quick tip. Play all these variations in one go. It's a pretty tough challenge. And the thing what I do there is after 4 times of repeating the pattern, I play one left stroke, moving it 1/16 notes. What I'm showing you here is a tiny piece of a bigger system, the Drumfill Black Belt. Because the goal isn't to just copy another fill or another lick. We've all done that, and it's getting boring. The goal is to learn the language behind great fills, so you can build them, change them, and move them around the kit in your own way, developing your own voice. To stop freezing and overthinking all the same fills that you always play. And if you want the full roadmap for how I teach that inside my 6-month Drumfill Black Belt program, to get you the freedom around the kit that you're looking for, I've linked it below. Look at it and see if it resonates with you, and maybe we can work together.